Video है? So today we are going to do a procedure of chana making that is called Ghugni in Bihar, and the articles required are
a plate, a clean sterile plate containing cutted onions and chilies and some ginger and some garlic, and then we have to keep it straight, sterile, not contaminated with all these things, and then we have to add the main ingredient, which is chana, that is also called kala chana and gram, and then we have to open it like this.
वायरल जाएगा.
We can see the articles, the main article, that is chana gram. So हमारा जो चना है बिल्कुल ऐसे डोमिनेट कर रखा है. Yeah, we can remove it like this, and it should be done in a gentle way. Otherwise, the patient
कितना भी टाइम लग जाए कोई बात नहीं.
Otherwise the patient, that is the food, will be destroyed. I don't want it to be done. Okay. So this is complete. Now we can discard it. In the Instamart bottle. If one chana is there, it doesn't matter. You have to take care of the patient. That is the chana, not one chana. It's okay if it happens like this. So start it like this. You have to check for the article. Yeah, it's working. So we can start the procedure. Oh fuck, there to reh. We have all the articles ready. So we are going to start the procedure.
Okay.
We have already done the hand hygiene, as it is important.
And we'll play the music also, which is non-copyright.
Music is also started. And also the main ingredient, that is sprouted chana. This is so nutritious. This can be used for all age group patients. And this is very important.
आपके पास न्यूट्रिशन कहाँ है बताओ. अगर ये इतना न्यूट्रिशियस है और आप बना भी सकते हो, तो थोड़ा आप खुद क्यों नहीं खाते हो? नो कमेंट. इट्स ओके. हम यहाँ पर पेशेंट के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे.
मैं पेशेंट के ऊपर
बहुत एस्थेटिक दिख रहा है जो भी बोलो.
The next ingredient has been added.
नमक ऐड हो चुका है.
Salt में भूल गई, और नमक इसमें दिखता नहीं है, जैसे मैं लोगों को नहीं दिखती हूँ. This is looking so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a cow. We are going to ask the patient, can we do it? So yeah, the consent matters. Consent matters. Mr. Chana, can I add some spice in you? Yeah, it's very important for your taste.
इसमें आपका बहुत जलेगा.
Without it, you will look so fair and your taste will be so bad. So can I do it? Yeah, okay. Thank you for your consent. नहीं होगा आपको. बस हो गया.
आराम से इतनी सी मिर्ची डालना है बस. आपको थोड़ा सा जलेगा बस.
अच्छा तो लग रहा है ना? अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो आप मुझे बताओ. मैं बस आपको ऐसा नाटक करूंगी कि आपको अच्छा लगेगा.
बस ये आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा कि नहीं पता नहीं, हमको टेस्टी लगेगा.
मिस्टर चना, अब मैं आपके लिए एक और चीज करने वाली हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड पिंच ऑफ टर्मरिक पाउडर ऑन यू. So please cooperate with me. And if you have any issue, keep it to you.
मत बताइए, नहीं जानना है हमको.
Because anyway I am going to do this.
कम डाल बहन. इतना ज्यादा नहीं डालना होता है, ये हल्दी लगेगा.
So yeah, the next ingredient has been also added. Now it's our time to help Mr. Chana be more better by adding one more article. This article is very important. The magic masala. That is Maggi masala.
This is not promotional video.
This is not promotional video. I am doing it for the sake of
my taste,
Chana's health, my patient's, my client's health. So please, let me add it. Mr. Chana, I am going to add the most delicious thing that is very important for you, and please give me consent.
जैसे मैं कंसेंट ना दूं तो तुम कुछ नहीं करोगे.
चाहती तो मैं डायरेक्टली भी डाल सकती थी, पर मैं आपका कंसेंट मांग रही हूँ.
लेकिन मैं अच्छा इंसान बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
बस इसलिए आप कंसेंट दे दोगे. So I am going to cut it. कटने से कुछ आ रहा है, कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं, आप खुद ही समझ जाना.
फौज में ज्यादा मजा है.
So I have inserted, I mean administered a packet of Maggi masala, and the waste should always be discarded in kidney drain. It is not looking like kidney, but it's okay. It's okay. We can add a glass full of water. It can be half also. It depends on your test and Mr. Patient's preference. So Mr. Patient, can I add a glass of water to you? Yeah, obviously it will be helpful for you only. Okay.
And our tongue.
Thank you for your consent. So we can add it like this, and you can add it like this also. And the patient is well now. He is stable. All the vitals are down as the patient has been administered all the essential articles. And now we'll give the patient a comfortable position. So,
which one? Semi-collar and collar and high collar?
I think supine with a pillow on his back will be better.
ढक दो तुम, pillow ढक दो उसके ऊपर, ठीक है?
I'm going to give the patient a comfortable position so that he can take rest. And after any kind of procedure, the patient should be safe to wait for some time so that the medication will work. Okay. So
Okay.
we are going to keep the patient in supine position, and this is supine position, okay? And meanwhile, during the patient is resting, we can clean all the articles. We can discard them. So हम लोग सारे articles को we are discarding all the articles.
हाँ, एकदम सफाई करना पड़ेगा.
It should be done in proper bin. The red bin, the black bin, the green bin.
Where is your red bin?
So you can say this is red bin.
This is Instamart bag, okay?
This is black bin.
Okay.
This is yellow bin.
Okay.
And this is green bin. And I am the blue bin.
Your bin.
Yeah, I am the bin.
So you are telling yourself as a dustbin.
Everyone discards all the wastage in me. We have to keep the other articles ready so that when the patient completes this procedure, we can do it. So I am preparing the articles. And again, hygiene is important, so I have done the hand washing and hygiene. I am preparing the other article.
तेरे को नींबू काटना नहीं आता?
इधर से काटता है.
हाँ.
Sorry, I did it wrong. अब आपकी कंडीशन अच्छी हो रही है, कुछ ही दिन में आप डिस्चार्ज हो जाओगे. So now we have to check the patient's vitals again.
Okay.
So we can check the temperature. Temperature is good. Respiration and pulse. Yeah, the patient is responding to pulse.
Blood pressure.
Yeah. So everything is good, and you have to learn these things. Slowly you learn, and you will be taught.
Just because you have Kerala people as your roommates, you should not use these things.
No, I have Kerala teachers also, so I learn from them. During the discharge, we have to give all the patient's valuables that we have kept before admission
पीछे पानी भरा है.
to the patient's relatives.
Okay.
The patient's relatives.
Okay, these are the relatives of this patient.
And this is so important. The patient is getting discharged, and if we have to administer anything, like anything,
क्या असली हरकत कर रहे हैं?
we can do it. So I am administering a little pinch of sorry sir. Now I am giving the patients the most valuable thing, that is Jyoti. This is not advertisement,
Not a promotional video.
so you have to add it like this.
देखो बन चुका है और उसका फीडबैक.
Now the procedure has been completed, the patient is being discharged, and the last step is taking feedback from the patient relatives. So, madam,
बहुत हॉट एंड स्पाइसी है. इसके ओनर की तरह. ओनर नहीं, कुक की तरह.
yeah. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे पेशेंट और पेशेंट के रिलेटिव दोनों खुश हैं. So, I can continue my job. Thank you.